Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. I hope everyone's having a great day. This is the second time I've filmed this because the first time this stupid little microphone did not work. But I did something. I bought something that I've wanted for a very, 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 very long time. So, the day is finally here. And let me see, let me pull it up. I'll just show you the box, but a drone. That's right, I bought a drone. I have wanted this for so long. And so the other day, or yesterday I guess it was, I went to Panera with my boyfriend, we got dinner, and then after that I decided I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna buy it. And so we went in and I dropped a lot of money on this, but I'm very, very, very excited. So here's a video of me unboxing it, and yeah, we'll take it out and bring it for a ride soon. We can't go outside really today. We're trying to stay safe. We live in Portland, and so there's riots going on right now that sometimes get a little violent. So we're just gonna sit inside, hang out. So I'm just gonna unbox this, and yeah. Okay, we're gonna open this baby up. Let's see. Hey babe, Katie's on her way over. Okay, we got Mavic Pro. Open that up. Okay, I think it goes this way. I ripped the stickers off right before, so that's why there's this on the bottom. I don't know, I should be looking at that camera. That one's filming this. Okay, so I opened it up. And we have, ooh, like a nice little bag. And, oh my god, this is so exciting. A little protection thing. Take that off. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna do, this is so exciting. We're gonna do this first. Take this out. Alright, and we'll put this on here. Alright. Okay. Unzip. I put it on, you can come here, I put it on a little thing. Okay, just open it up. It comes with an instruction manual. A little strap, I guess it is. And then a whole bunch of cables, which is probably not too interesting for you guys to look at. I keep getting text. Like charging cables, more charging cables. So we have one for like outside use, I guess, and then inside use, sorry. We have a car charger. So if you need that desperate shot and your drone is dead. Some other cables, I don't know what these are for yet. And then this is cool. Extra battery right here. And then anything else down there? Oh yeah. Dig in. Oh. Power bank charger. Charge more than one battery at a time, so that's exciting. And then the remote. So this is the remote oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So it pulls down, and then you see right here, you can attach it to your phone. So it plugs into your phone, and you put your phone in there, and then you can see from an app, which I haven't downloaded yet, but I will. The buttons are like, wow, they're like easy and like, okay, so we'll put that part away. Let's see. So if you see here, you have your pause button, power button, up, down, side, turn around, record. Yeah. And then the big kahuna. My camera's gonna die. There she is. The Mavic Pro. Oh my god, this is awesome. Okay, so I'm assuming this, yep, like that. And then these come out like this. There's no things on the front ones. I have to add those, as you can see. Awesome. Put that down. And what else do we have here? Oh, and the extra batteries. Okay. These are the extra batteries. Oh, I turned one on. Whoops. I don't know how to turn it off right now. But those are the extra batteries. So we'll go outside at some point and I'll show you how it works. So yeah.